Welcome to Exploring Scotland, the ultimate guide to an unforgettable trip. Whether you're a history buff or a nature lover, Scotland has something to offer everyone. Here are some tips to ensure a successful visit. First, start by exploring the vibrant city of Edinburgh. Marvel at the iconic Edinburgh Castle, stroll along the Royal Mile, and immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of the city. Next, venture into the breathtaking Scottish Highlands. Take a scenic drive along the famous North Coast 500 route, where you'll witness stunning landscapes, picturesque lochs, and majestic mountains. Be sure to visit Loch Ness and keep an eye out for its legendary resident. Don't forget to experience the charming villages of Scotland, such as the quaint fishing town of Portree on the Isle of Skye. Here, you can enjoy fresh seafood, explore colorful harbors, and take in the peaceful island atmosphere. For whiskey lovers, a visit to a Scottish distillery is a must. Learn about the traditional whiskey-making process and savor the flavors of this world-renowned spirit. Lastly, don't miss out on experiencing the unique Scottish hospitality. From cozy bed and breakfasts to luxurious castles, Scotland offers a range of accommodations to suit any traveler's taste. So, pack your bags and get ready for a journey of a lifetime. Thanks for watching our guide to visiting Scotland. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!